All right, good morning, everybody. Most of you guys have been through some of my speeches, and you know that I'm taking a class for an introduction to speech at Columbia College, going from a business administration degree. So for those of you who have not sat through a speech, that's why this speech. And basically today, it's my job to get you to take action on an item. And the item that I chose today was I want you guys to create a recycling program in our office that will benefit our environment. Go green, right? Everybody's heard that. It's kind of the common thing now. So what does this mean to everybody? I mean, you got to be like an oversensitive environmentalist, or what do they call them, a tree hugger, anything like that? No, I mean, a lot of people say, those guys are crazy. They're trying to save the environment, but in reality, we should all care about the world we're living in. I mean, it's going to be passed down to our kids and generation, so we all need to care about it. It should be normal, to care about it, and it's very important because its effects on the environment, they can be brutal if we don't utilize our waste. Reuse our waste. And so, I think everyone in here, and yes, everyone in here can make a difference, even if it's a small difference in starting here, making a recycling program in our workplace. So you might be asking, why is recycling important? And according to Stark State, there's there's unlimited amount of reasons why it's comments. All right. So according to Stark State College, recycling is responsible for creating jobs. $236 billion a year industry. So that's big. Big industry. And 56,000 recycle and reuse centers across the United States, and that's responsible for employing 1.1 million people. One of the second reasons is recycling reduces waste. And so, you got to think about all this stuff that you throw in the dumpster, it goes out to a landfill. Now, if you recycle this, it's going to a recycling center, and that's where the jobs are created. You've got people, separating the stuff, and then, putting that back to reuse rather than filling up a landfill. And then, think about our wildlife. For those of us who are hunters or fishers, it protects our wildlife. So if you recycle paper, instead of going to cut down more trees, they just reuse it, and then it goes from there. And right, it also has many benefits, including the impact on the environment, and that's probably the main reason for our participation. Pollution. That's one of the big topics everybody sees on the news is global warming, climate change, and all that kind of stuff. But if you recycle, it does help reduce pollution. They can be reused instead of thrown away. It also, again, the environment. This all goes back to helping protect the environment. Another way it does that is it minimizes deforestation. So basically, makes us reuse stuff rather than going down and cutting more and more trees down. So you should now understand kind of why it's important, and we go over how to create a program here. I know the CEO sent me out an email not too long ago, and it said, create a recycling program. I think this would be something great that we can use here at the NOS. Well, it's kind of already set up for us. We have a bin out here that they collect. So that makes it easy on that part. We just need to label it because people do throw trash in there. But our first job is to nominate somebody or assign a representative. That way they can be responsible for the efficiency of the program and to make sure that it maintains the goals. And some of those goals might include recycling and giving the recycling stuff to a certain organization to help them out, to donate it. That way they can turn it around, make money, and put it to a good use. So the next thing after you assign somebody, and that person's going to be the responsible party for it, you got to create bins, or decide what you want to recycle, and then create bins. Some of these bins include, and I've got some pictures here for you of what they would look like. This is just an example. If you want to pass that around, there's a couple of examples. So the picture that I'm showing you now is one that I took while I was down in Jacksonville last week at my last command, and that's what they implemented. It's a very simple process. It's just putting a piece of paper on, recycling bin. A lot of places will give you these recycling bins for free if you reach out to somebody. So next thing you want to do is check.
It cut it short. I only had enough